Crash course on Venezuela, why its economy is so awful. Venezuela is a country located on the northern coast of South America, with a population of over 28 million people. It is known for its rich cultural heritage, diverse wildlife, and abundant natural resources, particularly oil. Here are top 12 historic events in Venezuela. 1. Independence from Spain, 1811. Venezuela declared its independence from Spain on July 5, 1811, marking the beginning of a long struggle for independence that lasted until 1823. 2. Battle of Carabobo, 1821. The Battle of Carabobo, fought on June 24, 1821, was a decisive victory for the independence forces led by Simón Bolívar, which secured Venezuela's independence from Spain. 3. Bolivarian Revolution, 1998. In 1998, Hugo Chávez was elected president of Venezuela, marking the beginning of the Bolivarian Revolution. The revolution aimed to reduce poverty, inequality, and corruption in Venezuela. 4. Caracazo, 1989. The Caracazo was a series of protests and riots that took place in Caracas and other Venezuelan cities in February 1989. The protests were sparked by the government's decision to increase the price of gasoline and other basic goods. 5. Vargas Tragedy, 1999. The Vargas tragedy was a series of landslides and floods that occurred in December 1999, resulting in the deaths of thousands of people and causing significant damage to the country's infrastructure. 6. National Strike, 2002. In 2002, a national strike was called by the opposition to protest against the government of Hugo Chávez. The strike lasted for 2 months and led to a significant economic slowdown. 7. National Constituent Assembly, 2017. In 2017, President Nicolás Maduro called for a National Constituent Assembly to draft a new constitution for Venezuela. The move was criticized by the opposition, who saw it as an attempt to consolidate power and undermine democracy. 8. Opposition protests, 2014 to 2017. Between 2014 and 2017, Venezuela experienced a wave of opposition protests, which was sparked by the government's handling of the economy and political situation. 9. National Assembly elections, 2015. In 2015, the opposition won a majority of seats in the National Assembly, marking the first time in 16 years that the government had lost control of the legislature. 10. Presidential elections, 2018. The presidential elections of 2018 were controversial, with the opposition accusing the government of fraud and irregularities. The election was won by Nicolás Maduro, but many countries, including the United States, did not recognize the result. 11. Guaido presidency, 2019. In 2019, Juan Guaido, the president of the National Assembly, declared himself interim president of Venezuela, claiming that the presidential elections of 2018 were fraudulent. The move was supported by many countries, including the United States, but was rejected by the Venezuelan government. 12. Humanitarian crisis, ongoing. Venezuela is currently facing a severe humanitarian crisis, with widespread shortages of food, medicine, and basic goods. The crisis has led to widespread poverty, malnutrition, and disease, and has forced millions of Venezuelans to flee the country in search of better living conditions. However, in recent years, Venezuela has experienced a severe economic crisis that has devastated the country's economy and its people. The main reason for Venezuela's economic woes is its heavy dependence on oil exports. The country has one of the largest oil reserves in the world, and the government has traditionally relied heavily on oil revenue to fund its operations. However, in recent years, the price of oil has plummeted, and the country has been unable to generate enough revenue to support its spending. Additionally, the government's economic policies have contributed significantly to the country's economic decline. The government has implemented strict price controls, which have led to shortages of basic goods, including food and medicine. The government has also implemented currency controls, which have made it difficult for businesses to import essential goods and services. Another factor contributing to Venezuela's economic crisis is political instability. The country has experienced significant political turmoil in recent years, with the government cracking down on opposition voices and protests. This has led to a loss of confidence in the government and its ability to manage the economy effectively. As a result of these factors, Venezuela has experienced hyperinflation, which has led to a severe devaluation of the country's currency. The inflation rate in Venezuela reached over 10,000% in 2019, and the country's currency, the bolivar, has lost over 99% of its value in the past decade. The economic crisis has had devastating consequences for the Venezuelan people. The country has experienced widespread poverty, malnutrition, and disease. Many Venezuelans have been forced to flee the country in search of better opportunities and living conditions. Despite these challenges, there are some interesting stories and examples that highlight the resilience and resourcefulness of the Venezuelan people. One such story is the rise of community-led initiatives to address the shortage of basic goods. In many parts of Venezuela, community groups have come together to establish food cooperatives and communal gardens, where they grow their own fruits and vegetables. These initiatives have helped to address the shortage of food and provide a sense of community and solidarity among Venezuelans. Another interesting example is the rise of cryptocurrency in Venezuela. As the country's currency has become increasingly devalued, many Venezuelans have turned to cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, as a way to protect their savings and conduct transactions. This has led to the development of a vibrant cryptocurrency ecosystem in Venezuela, with many businesses and individuals accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment. Despite these examples of resilience and resourcefulness, the economic crisis in Venezuela remains a significant challenge for the country and its people. Addressing the underlying issues will require a concerted effort from the government and the international community. However, the stories of community-led initiatives and the rise of cryptocurrency in Venezuela serve as a reminder of the ingenuity and creativity of the Venezuelan people in the face of adversity. Here are 10 attractions in Venezuela for international visitor. 1. Angel Falls. Angel Falls is the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world and is located in the Canaima National Park. The falls drop from a height of over 3,200 feet and are a must-visit for any tourist traveling to Venezuela. 2. Los Roques Archipelago. Los Roques is a stunning archipelago of islands located off the northern coast of Venezuela. The crystal-clear waters, white sand beaches, and abundance of marine life make it a popular destination for snorkeling and diving. 3. Mount Roraima. Mount Roraima is a tabletop mountain that straddles the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. The mountain is home to unique plant and animal species, including the carnivorous pitcher plant and the Roraima bush toad. 4. Morrocoy National Park. Morrocoy National Park is located in the northwestern part of Venezuela and is known for its beautiful beaches, coral reefs, and mangrove forests. The park is a popular destination for snorkeling, diving, and birdwatching. 5. Orinoco Delta. The Orinoco Delta is a vast wetland area located in the northeastern part of Venezuela. The delta is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, including monkeys, jaguars, and river dolphins. Visitors can take a guided tour of the delta to see the wildlife and learn about the indigenous cultures that call the area home. 6. Mérida. Mérida is a charming colonial city located in the Andean region of Venezuela. The city is known for its beautiful architecture, cultural festivals, and nearby natural attractions, including the highest cable car in the world, which provides stunning views of the surrounding mountains. 7. Mochima National Park. Mochima National Park is located on the eastern coast of Venezuela and is known for its pristine beaches and coral reefs. The park is a popular destination for snorkeling, diving, and fishing. 8. The Catatumbo Lightning. The Catatumbo lightning is a natural phenomenon that occurs in the northwestern part of Venezuela, where lightning strikes almost every night for several hours. The lightning can be seen from miles away and is a unique and awe-inspiring experience for visitors. 9. The Historic City of Coro. The historic city of Coro is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in western Venezuela. The city is known for its well-preserved colonial architecture and is a must-visit for history buffs. 10. La Gran Sabana. La Gran Sabana is a vast grassland plateau located in southeastern Venezuela. The area is home to unique geological formations, including the towering flat-top mountains known as tepuis. Visitors can hike to the top of the tepuis and explore the surrounding wilderness. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.